Hello, my alien students. Hope everyone is doing well. So today, what's the story? The story is as follows. Okay, this actually is a good question asked by some of my students. Sometimes when you link a Revit file, it is light. I made it over exaggerate now. Okay, you can see the file. Okay, it's a bit dark. Okay, but sometimes it is too light like this. I made it too light. How do we change it? Okay, sometimes in general, let's continue. Okay, let's show you example of level 1. We are in level, let's double click level 1. Okay, if I come here, additional settings, John, I know I can go to manage tab and then additional settings, half underlay, and do whatever. Let's say I make it light now. Okay, just to make it light. It doesn't affect, no effect, nothing. Just useless. I say dark very hard, nothing, useless. Why is that? Actually, I just made it in the next other end. Oh, okay, he's playing. Yeah, why is that I can't change? Now, and sorry, you can change. We have done some settings here. So I want to teach you how to change the setting or the weight, not weight. Because I generally love to see linked files a bit dark. Because if it's light, it's like stale or something like that. A bit lazy. If it's dark, you're working. Okay. Anyway, so how do you change this? Okay. First thing is you have to choose is VG or visibility graphics or VV or whichever. Okay, if you can't like to type, go to view and then find your friend visibility graphics. Remember this, okay? Visibility graphics is only view specific, so this is only related to level 0, not any other view. Okay, just remember this. So this is what a link file. How I know it's a link file? Because I'm trying to select, I can't select because this pin is still I can't select because it is pinned. Let's see what's the story. Okay, it is pinned and pinned. You can see the pin here. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, my story was not that. I just removed that. I hit the elevation markers. I was just trying to explain this story. Elevation marker. Okay. We are happy with this. We want to make it light or generally I would like to make it dark. Generally it's light, very light. Okay. You can make thin lines, thick lines. There is one command which is just top thick lines. If you can't see it, where is thin line? This one, thin line, thick line, TL. No, it doesn't affect. Useless. Doesn't make it dark. Doesn't make it light. Okay. So what you need to go is first go to VG. Since it's a Revit link, make sure you enable underlay. Generally, it's not enabled. Okay, let's say I just show example. We are in level 0. So yes, so apply. So I have not enabled underlay. Apply and OK. Where do I go? Um, manage, additional setting, underlay. Nothing. Useless. So what you need to do is you need to go to view, visibility graphics, Revit links, underlay, apply. Okay. So now he allowed to change it. If I want to make it darker, I didn't allow it to be dark. That's why maybe it was on dark. That's why it showed. Okay. I hope you get the picture. Same story. If I want to change this, I make it light. Let's say not so light. Okay, not so light. John not accept why? Because my visibility graphic. For that view, level 2, the level 2, sorry, level 1 is not enabled. If I say apply, it became light. Okay, so I just wanted to show you this trick because this is one of the questions which is always coming in the class. Hey John, how do you make this light? I show it how to show it how to do it. The main thing is make sure visibility graphics Revit links. This guy is enabled. If this is enabled, then then this will work. You saw it just now. Okay. Okay. Hope it is clear. And yeah, that's the story. So I just wanted to teach you this trick. This is a small, quick one. So yeah, hope everybody enjoyed this class. See you in the next class.